Hi my Pingus! Today I'll show you Disney Princess's Adventures. Yes, Princess's Adventures. With a little building set with two little bunnies. This book includes some comics, some mysteries, and some pictures you can colorize. Surprising that the manual was more complicated than the usual sets. But I managed it. I like the heart-shaped noses of the bunnies. There it is, the seesaw. What do you think about this set? Please comment down below. Give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.